In this video, I'm going to show you how to appear offline on Roblox. So you can open your Roblox on any browsers that you have, or you can open your Roblox application. So in here, tap on the cog or gear icon at the top and then select settings. So in here, click on privacy. So what I recommend you is to change your community settings to no one, so that no one can message you, chat with you, or play with you on Roblox. So the next method I recommend you is to block the people so that they can see you online. Because if you block somebody, they can't do things like message you or see that you're online and things like that. So you can search the username on the search icon or choose from your friend list. So just go ahead and click on the usernames and click on the three dots and select blocked. So when you block someone, you automatically unfriended her. So you can just go ahead and add a friend request again if you want. So the next method I recommend you to do is to create an alt account or an alternative account. Alt account is having another account on Roblox. You can have a completely anonymous username and nobody's gonna know who you are. Even your existing friends can see that. But don't worry, because you can still access your Robux and your game experiences from your main account. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful, and if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you for watching.